still a lot of work to be done. We're going to try to start the engine this week. We're actually hooking up the ground wire. After that, we're going to hook up the starter, make sure it turns over and starts. At that point, we can start assembling the rest of the harness and then the interior. Some of the electrical still needs to be done, but I'm not too worried about that. We got that under control. Because this is a 1947 New Yorker, everything has to be installed custom, so without the welders, this project is not possible. They've been very instrumental in getting the front clip-on, front bumper, rear bumper as well. So they're a big part of this, and that's what the whole idea is, to get the students to be able to work on it, and that's what they're doing. All departments come together at this point. We're on the downhill. Hopefully we can get this in the next month or so, get it running, drivable, so we can get it there.